one of our law firm's offices is located in a border town, which is Windsor, Ontario. So we're often confronted with the situation and questions from clients. Mr. Kruse, am I admissible at the border if I plead guilty or am found guilty of impaired driving or refusing a breath sample or blowing over the legal limit? And the short answer to that is yes, you should be admissible at the U.S. border. A DUI should not preclude you from entering the border and crossing into the States. So it's an interesting issue because the U.S. immigration law divides crimes into crimes of moral turpitude and non-moral turpitude. Now, moral turpitude crimes, I cover this in another video in general, dealing with crimes of depravity, serious crimes like sexual assault, dishonesty, assault with a weapon, those type of crimes, which are more serious type of crimes. And a DUI of that nature is not considered to be a crime of moral turpitude. That's the current state of the law. It's been the law for many years. Of course, it's subject to change. We don't know if the law is going to change tomorrow, but as of December of 2020, you should be able to cross. Now, it becomes a little bit problematic for the odd person, really extenuating circumstances, but unfortunately, I have seen the odd U.S. border guard make a mistake. And they're not necessarily trained in the law. Most of them know this, but it gets surprising when a client's refused entry. They shouldn't have been refused entry. And then, of course, they're turned back at the border and they have to clear that up, which can take some time. So that's an unfortunate error. So there's no guarantee you're going to get into the States. But again, I know there's hundreds of people from Windsor who cross all the time with DUI convictions into the States. There's no question about that. One of the things I tell my clients, whether you've got a prior conviction for anything, including a DUI, always tell the truth at the border. They could ask you questions whether you have a criminal record. Don't lie. You need to prepare your questions and answers in advance and know what you're going to say, including if you're charged, if you have a conditional discharge, because you want to explain what that is, because that's not a record in Canada, but in the States, they do consider that a criminal record. So, and conversely, which is unfair in my view, but Canada, we do not allow people from the States who are convicted, for example, in Michigan or any other that state, to enter Canada. So it's a bit unfair and the law may change. So make sure you stay up to date on that law if you have a DUI conviction and check out the website to make sure you're still admissible. But as of today, in December 2020, and for many years, you are. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.